Now we are going to see kilometers to meter. It is all converting kilometers to meters. So example 3 kilometer to 300 meter. Let's start the sum. So it is kilometer to meter. Kilometer is a bigger unit. This is a smaller unit. That means multiply by 1000. So already I've told you the formula is 1 kilometer is equal to what? 1000 meter. This is the formula. So don't forget this formula. Otherwise you can't do the sum. So don't forget this formula. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That 3 kilometer means what you're going to do. First you have to convert 3 kilometer. So 3 into 1000, what you will get? That means 3 kilometer, it becomes what? 3000 meter. So 3 kilometer means you can get 3000 meter. Then what you're going to do, you have to add 300 meter also with this. So 300 meter is already given. So 300 meter you have to write. 300 meter. Meter already is given. So you have to add both. That means that means 0 plus 3, that is 3300 meter. That means 3 kilometer 300 meter. Convert into meter. The answer is 3300 meter. This is the right answer for the questions. So 3 kilometer 300 meter. So kilometer is converted into meter. So bigger unit to smaller unit. So multiply by 1000 because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters clearly given. This is the formula. So you have to write for each and every sum. So 3 kilometers equal to 3 into 1000. That means 3 kilometers convert into 3000 meter. Already 300 meter is given in the question. So 300 meter you must add with this. So you can get what? You must add both because both are in the same unit. So now we are going to add. That means 3000 meter plus 300 meter. You can get this answer 3300 meter. That means 3 kilometer and 3 meter. Sorry, 3 kilometer and 300 meter. It's converted into meter means. That means you have to become as a same unit. 3300 meter is the right answer. I'll repeat once again. 3 kilometer and 300 meter. It convert into meter. So that means kilometers convert into meter. But 3 kilometer only you have to convert into meter. Already 300 meter in the same unit. So 3 kilometer and 300 meter. So convert into meter means the answer is 3300 meter is the right answer for this question. Next sum, meters to kilometer. That is, it is also converting meters to kilometer. So meter to kilometer means what you're going to do. It is a which unit? It is a meter is a smaller unit and what? It is a bigger unit. Okay, smaller to bigger. So meter is a smaller unit, kilometer is a bigger unit. So what you're going to do, you have to what is multiply by what? Multiply by 1000. That is multiply by 1000. Multiply by 1000. That means already you know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So now we are going to convert meters to kilometer. The question is 2250 meter. That means 2250 you have to write. Then what you're going to write? First you have to write 2000 meter. Then you have to segregate. First 2250 meter. It's converted into 2000 meter. What? It's segregated, separate into 2000 meter and 250 meter. Now to this 2000 meter is equal to 2 kilometer because 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. That means 2000 meter is equal to how many kilometers? 2 kilometer. That is what I've written. Then you have to write 2 kilometer and 250 meter. You must combine together. That means 2250 meter is converted into 2 kilometer and what? 250 meter. This is the right answer for the question. So 2250 meter. So meter you convert into kilometer. Meter is a smaller unit and kilometer is a bigger unit. Smaller to bigger means you have to multiply by 1000. That is a rule. So sorry. Divided by 1000. Sorry, bigger to smaller means you have to multiply by 1000. Smaller to bigger means you have to divide by 1000. By mistake I said, so don't do the mistake. So now I corrected, but you should not do the mistake. So smaller to bigger means divided by 1000. So 1000 meters equal to 1 kilometer. That is what the question is. 2250 kilometer. This question is 2250 meter. This is converted into kilometer and meter. So meter to kilometer, smaller to bigger unit. That means smaller to bigger means you have to divide it by 1000. That is 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. This is the formula. So don't forget the formula, and each and every sum you have to write this formula. That is what. So question you have to write 2250 meter. So this 2250 meter is converted into what? It's separated or segregated into 2000 meter plus what? 2000 meter plus 250 meter. This 2000 meter is equal to 2 kilometer, because already this clearly mentioned 1000 meter is equal to what? 1 kilometer. That means 2000 what? Meter divided by 1000 means what you get? 3 zeros cancel. You can get what? 2 kilometer. That is what I have written, 2 kilometer. And the question already is given 250 meters. Now 2 kilometer and 250 meter you have to combine together. So 2250 meter is converted into 2 kilometer and 250 meter. This is the right answer for the question.